Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Viofo A229 Plus 3-channel dashcam. Front, rear and interior. The front and rear cameras are 144p Quad HD and the interior camera is 1080p, so HD. The dashcam costs £260 on Amazon UK and £207 but is reduced at the time of taking the screenshot to £170 on the Viofo website. But if you use my code K9DashCam on Amazon UK or US for 5% off, or on the Viofo website for $10 off. A big thank you for Viofo for sending this to me, and let's see what you get. First, an overview of the dashcam. The main camera unit with the front camera, which looks like an updated A129, which is definitely not a bad thing. Those dashcams are excellent. Rear camera. Interior camera with LEDs for infrared, customer service card and warranty, read before installation card, 2 windscreen static stickers, user manual, PC to camera cable, power cable, 12-volt adapter with extra USB so you can charge your phone, extra adhesive stickers for all the cameras, main camera unit to interior camera cable, main camera unit to rear camera cable, and trim tool for hiding the wires behind the trim in your car or for getting the SD card in and out of the dashcam. Now some extras Viofo Ray kindly sent me that you can also buy separately for this dashcam. 64GB micro SD card and adapter, CPL circular polarizing filter which reduces glare, definitely a must have, and a hardwiring kit which is up to you whether you want to have parking mode or not. Right, let's get this all set up in my car. So the camera's now installed in the car, so first of all we got the front camera behind the mirror on this side, the interior camera is over there, and then the rear camera is at the back there next to my normal one that I have in this car, which is the Viofo A129. So if I just turn the ignition on now, I'll just show you how easy it is to get to these dashcam settings.
Recording, 3 channels started.
The camera's now on. Now you can just go to the settings with the actual camera itself, press the record button, turn it off, and then just go to menu, and then you can then simply access all the menu settings very easily. There we go, and that's all your settings. Or
Recording, 3 channels started.
you can use this camera's voice controls. Turn on Wi-Fi. So now we've done that.
Wi-Fi enabled.
Now we've done that, the Wi-Fi is on, I can now look at the settings with my phone. So I just go to my Wi-Fi on my phone, find the thing. You just have to.
Wi-Fi connected.
Now because I've done this already, I didn't have to put the password in, but if you haven't, you just have to put the password in, which is the numbers 1 to 8. There's the Viofo app, just connect to your phone and there you go. Again, you can stop the recording, go to settings, and there you go. All the settings as well. So there's 2 ways to do it, and you can also have a look at the footage as well. So there's all the footage, and if you want to watch it back, it should let you watch it back. There we go. Now just to turn the Wi-Fi off, you just say turn off Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi disabled.
There's also a button here, the end one, which you can also use to turn the Wi-Fi off and on. So yeah, easy to use. Regarding, you do really want the camera on this side, because yes, you can unplug it with all the cables. It's much easier just to get the SD card, which is on this side. If you use the trim tool, you can just pop it out. So I'd advise having it on this side of the mirror. Anyway, that's the camera. Now let's see what the footage is from this camera.
You've got a route to go.
Go on then, Mr. Taxi, off you go.
Maybe he's on a job.
Oh yeah, if he wants to do that, that's fine.
It's suddenly getting a bit lighter, don't you think?
Yeah, it is. We've turned the light, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've done it. We've done it, so it's about 45 minutes.
And if you're not feeling well and you're doing that...
Lock the video. Lock the video. Lock the video.
Video protected.
You or...
Of course that's me. I don't buy for to sell. I've got enough as it is to sell.
That's true, not sure. And you're not doing that anymore anyway, are you? Or are you dabbling?
No, not really. The front camera is 144p, so Quad HD, at 30 frames per second, and the footage is excellent. It's nice and clear and the colours are vibrant. Take this clip for example. It's into the winter sun and you can clearly see it's a Morris Minor Traveller and read the number plate, unlike on my Viofo A229. The rear camera is also 144p, so Quad HD at 30 frames per second, meaning that this is the first Viofo dashcam to have the rear camera at 144p Quad HD rather than the usual 1080p HD, so that's really nice. The footage is excellent as it's the same as the front camera. If we look at the Traveller but the rear of it, you can see the number plate even more clearly as it's not facing the sun. The interior camera is still 1080p HD, but the footage is also very good. It shows everything you want to see, and it does have infrared, which is definitely a must-have in low light conditions. The audio. Viofo dashcams used to have quiet audio, like with my Viofo A229, but their new cameras are much louder, including this one, meaning I do not need to boost the audio. Overall, I'm very impressed with the dashcam. It's easy to use and a nice compact design, so it hides behind the rear view mirror. The video quality is excellent for a 144p Quad HD, and I love the voice controls. My only complaint is with the instructions. It doesn't tell you which way round you should mount the rear interior cameras, so they aren't upside down. It does kind of show you it in the overview, but it's not particularly clear. I had to install the dashcam with it on to make sure that they were the correct way round. This has become my favourite dashcam, and I will be keeping it and hopefully using it soon. Any chance, Viofo, you'd like to send me another 2 of these to put in my other cars? That would be really nice. Yes, that's how much I love it. It's fantastic. Links to this dashcam in the description and the pinned comment. If you do want one, please do use the links and use the code K9dashcam on Amazon UK or US for 5% off, and on the Viofo website for $10 off. Only need a front dashcam? Why not check out my review of the Viofo A119 Mini 2? And until next time, goodbye.